Welcome to the JTL Power Sports test video of our 2009 BMW R1200GS. Yeah, that happened to the front. The forks are located out here. This bike took a nice little hit that ripped the forks clean off. There they are in the scrap pile. Surprisingly, this thing does still run. A little bit of an oil leak once it gets warm, so we're going to fire it up for just a second here. Go ahead and test everything out, though. Speedometer is working. We got 40,248 miles on it. Fires right up. No issues, no smoke out of the pipes. Give her a nice little rev. Runs well, as you guys can see. Go ahead and test some parts here while we're at it. Headlight switch works. Wow, that is a very intense horn. I'm not sure what these buttons do. A little bit of wear on the buttons here on this one. It does have keyless entry for your motorcycle. No idea. No idea what BMW was thinking on that one. A lot of good parts left on this unit, though. We got some aftermarket boxes. Basically, everything from the front wheel forward was untouched. I imagine this guy ran into something hard and immobile really fast. Just totally ripped the triples, or ripped the forks off right at the triples there. Well, that was a minute and 30 seconds of your life you'll never get back. Thanks for watching the test video of our 2009 BMW R1200GS. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, which is actually just our eBay store where you guys can buy everything and browse our inventory. I'm John from JTL Power Sports. That's Eric. Thanks for watching, guys.